Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to recall an email on the Outlook mobile app in 2025. We've all been there, hitting send on an email with a typo or the wrong attachment, and panicking. But don't worry, with the latest features in Outlook, you can fix that mistake quickly. This guide is straightforward and works on both Android and iOS devices, as long as you're using the updated 2025 version. First off, make sure your Outlook app is fully updated to access the 2025 enhancements. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Navigate to your Sent folder. This is usually found in the main menu or by swiping to the Folders section. Step 2. Find and tap on the email you want to recall. It should load up quickly on your mobile screen. Step 3. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to more options. In 2025, you might see a Recall button directly, making things even easier. Step 4. Tap on Recall this message. You'll get a prompt asking if you want to delete unread copies or replace the email with a new one. Choose your option carefully. Step 5. Confirm the action and wait for the process to complete. Outlook will notify you if the recall was successful. A quick tip. This feature only works if the recipient hasn't opened the email yet, and both parties are on Microsoft 365 or Exchange servers. If it doesn't work, double-check your settings or try from a desktop for better results. Recalling emails is a game changer for productivity, but always proofread before sending to avoid the hassle. There you have it. That's how you recall an email on the Outlook mobile app in 2025. It's simple, effective, and can save you from embarrassment. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.